The project for the Grotto drinking fountain started by the grotto being refurnished, refloored. New stairs were added on the left side, and as a part of that project, the fountain that was installed in 1943 had to be replaced since it was made in terrazzo concrete. Over the time, its quality and surface became poorer and poorer. The university decided it's time to replace it, not with another fountain, but the same fountain, just out of different material. They decided to make it out of bronze. Once we replace it with the new version, it is gonna last for much more decades than the stone would have. I received the fountain, disassembled the top and the bottom separate pieces. I made rubber molds. Some parts I had to make plaster versions of it to fix the deterioration of it. Each side of the fountain were done in separate sections. Once the gates were removed and cleaned up, I reassembled the sections. It brings back the imagery which is wonderful on this fountain. One is the Christ washing the feet. The other imagery is women by the well and Christ the water. It brings back our relation to the water, our religion, our humanity. I think that art does that, and we need it. I have an enormous respect for artists before me. I try to understand their mindset, their hand craftsmanship, and be honoring their history, trying to be faithful to that all. I think any successful educational institution, and especially with a history like Notre Dame, I think we cannot forget about aesthetic. And if we look at even just the early buildings, then we look at the buildings of the 70s and what we return to this classical style. I think we have to honor the classical sculptures too, and we do. It is very special to be part of remaking this fountain, especially because it's gonna be visited, as I understand, the third most visited site. I am very proud to be part of it.